Hi there, this is a screencast to brief in some work that I'm needing assistance with. So I work for an agency. I'm new to the role, but I have worked on many websites before and looking for new freelance workers to be able to complete some projects. So the first one that I have is this website, which is being built in Elementor, and the page in particular is, as you can see here, lexusenglish.com, location Brisbane, accommodation. So on this page, I have this content in the grey bar here, and this is the content that the client would like more control over. At the moment, it's been built with more high-end functionality of WordPress that then the client is comfortable editing. So, and they've got a lot of pages like this. So what they would like to do is have a simpler version. So I'm suggesting that this be built in a simpler way using Elementor, so that they would be able to then edit it themselves. So if I go to the page, I can't provide logins yet, so you'll just have to follow the screencast. So if I'm on the, one second, I'll just go back and I'll open this in a new link. So we've got both pages, so you can see at Lexus English we make sure you have access to comfortable. We go to visual. There's that section there. But what we have is down here we've got some uneditable sections, and I believe that they're locked away in this locations area here, and also with a customs fields plugin. So while the web developer was able to create all of this, it's not really editable for the client. So you don't really need to know about this, I suppose. What we do need to do, though, is create something, because it's the Elementor thing. That's the way that I suggest it. Happy for you to suggest another way, but in here, having something built out that the client can then use and adapt themselves that looks like this page here. So that's essentially the brief. You can see that this has got some, I don't know what you call them, widgets on it, with some different sections in it, bullet points, etc., subheadings, and some photos down the bottom here, which are down the bottom here, but obviously needing to be converted into a more manageable form. So that's essentially it. Yeah, if you're very familiar with Elementor, please let me know if this is possible and then how many hours it would take, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks. Cheers.